Okay. Problems 13 and 14. I wrote them kind of close together, so let me draw a little line here. So we didn't really do one like this, but it's the same thing. We're just going to distribute the negative 3i. So we get negative 12i minus 6i squared. Maybe we should have done some of these first. We're going to change the I square into what? Into negative 1, which just changes this sign. And then we don't normally write it in that order. We normally write it with the real part first and the imaginary part second. All right, so the next one, we double distribute. Negative 15i. Negative 3i times 4i is negative 12i squared. So we're going to handle that first. We're going to change the I into what? Into negative 1. If you can do these two steps in one step when you're writing them, that's fine. Then we combine the real parts and we combine the imaginary parts. Just be careful. The next one that's going to come up is negative 6. I mean, you should know what I'm about to tell you, but I'm concerned that some people are going to get confused. So I'm not going to work it for you, but I'm going to just remind you what this means. This means negative 6 minus 2i times negative 6 minus 2i. So you just distribute the negative 6 and then distribute the negative 2i.